Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for coming back for another video. Today I have a haul for you guys. It's gonna be home decor slash random home stuff. I went to Marshall's, Ross, Homegoods, and Ikea and just picked up some different things to change up my apartment because I'm getting kind of bored with what I have now. I know you guys that like to decorate and change up things often know what I mean. I was looking for a new rug to change in the living room behind you guys, but I had no luck finding one, so that will have to wait. So like I was saying about you guys not following me on Instagram, those of you that do know that they're making changes to my apartment. They put in a new light in the kitchen, a new fan here, one on the patio. They're gonna screen the patio. We're getting a glass top stove, which I'm excited about. I cannot wait to clean that. They're changing flooring and they're putting a backsplash in the kitchen. I am so excited about that backsplash. You guys have no idea. So yeah, cleaning videos are kind of at a pause right now because I just can't concentrate on videos like that when I have people coming in and out of my apartment. Hopefully you guys understand and stick with me through it. So for today we have a haul. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Let's just get started. I'm gonna start with Ikea. I went to the Ikea as is section, which I always tell you guys about. They had tons of dressers and bed frames and wardrobes and things like that for super cheap. So if you guys are looking for any furniture for your apartment or home, I definitely suggest checking the Ikea as is section because they have so many things like tables, couches, chairs for super low prices, and a lot of the stuff is brand new, so you guys should definitely check that out. Anyway, this is what the plates look like from Ikea. They're in this seafoam color. They're really heavy, and I didn't realize that they weren't in frame in the last clip, so this is what they look like. Comes with 6 plates, 6 little plates, 6 like breakfast plates, I guess, and 6 bowls. Next thing I got was this trio of cactus or cacti. I'm not sure how you say it. I'm sure you guys will correct me in the comments anyways, but yeah, I love this. It's so cute. I want to open it up. I went shopping in between today and yesterday, so I've been dying to like touch this stuff and see what I'm gonna do with it. This is so cute. And this was, I remember the price of this was $14.99. Look at how adorable these are, you guys. I'm not gonna put them in this order, but just so they're there. If you guys been following my YouTube channel, even for a short while, you know I like trinkets. I like little things and putting things on shelves. I also picked up these. It's like a geometric butterfly, and I think that's a bird. Really cute. I'm gonna open up this one for you guys too. I'm excited right now. I feel like I'm sitting in my living room with girlfriends and just showing you guys what I bought. That's really cool. There's so many of you guys. I wish we could be friends in real life. Is this not what I thought it was? Hold on a second. So cute. Oh my gosh. Hold on, you guys. I have to stop for a second to make sure I'm in frame. So this is what they look like out of the box. It's like a little bird, little geometric bird, which is so cute, and a butterfly. One of my followers on Instagram, I'm not sure if you're a subscriber or a viewer too, but thank you for sending me that picture on Instagram because as soon as I saw that, I was like, I gotta go to Ikea and grab this vase. This is so adorable. It's that geometric theme. If you guys don't know or haven't noticed, I like geometric symbols. It's all over the place, like just, I like it. Seafoam color as well. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. I picked up one of these. This is just a placemat, but I'm gonna be using this to go sort of for the plants because they're resting. The plants are really heavy and the pots that they're in are really heavy, and I don't want it to scrape the tables that I have them on, so I picked up one of these for the yucca plant over there by the table. I'm gonna just stick this underneath, and I thought it would look really pretty. This was around $1.99, but like I said, I'll just caption the prices. And the last thing that I picked up from the regular Ikea area was this step stool. I have 3 kids, so one step stool in the bathroom is not gonna work because one might be needing to use the potty, the other one's washing their hand or brushing their teeth, so 2 step stools in that bathroom it is. And this was, like I said, I'll caption the price. Okay, moving on to the Ikea as is section. I saw this and died immediately. It is an arch. I don't know what to call this. I know it hangs on the wall and you can place something inside, sort of like this. I'm not gonna put this on the inside, but that's what it's for. I was thinking something green and white, and I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this yet. They're usually $12.99 and I got this for $6.40. So excited about this. I'm gonna hang it up somewhere. You guys will see it in a future video. Always rave about the Ikea as is section, and one of the things that they always carry are frame. Don't know what I'm gonna put in here yet, but this gold frame is just gonna look nice anywhere because I also have a lot of different metals all throughout my apartment, like copper, rose gold, silver, regular gold, dusty gold, bronze, I like it all. This huge quilt Also from the Ikea as is section for $17. The original price is $34.99 and I got it for $17.40. This is I don't know what size quilt this is, but it's huge. I'll stand up. I know my head is out of frame, or like it's probably just my legs. I just want you guys to see how massive this quilt is. It's so big. I'm pretty sure this is for a king size bed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is for a king size bed. Oh my gosh, when I saw this, I love the color. First of all, it's like that dusty pink color. It's a very, very light quilt. This is awesome for Florida weather. And just in case I want to switch up what I have on there now, I could have this. It lays really flat. I think it just looks neat. The pattern is so delicate, I feel like. I fell in love with this when I saw it, snatched it right up, and it came home with me. So I'm gonna wash this and probably just put it in my closet for now because I'm not over the blue yet. But yep, got this. And that's another thing, you guys. They have tons of cushions and couch covers and throw pillow covers. There's just everything in that Ikea as is section. And if you're handy, they have a handy person's corner where you can just get wood and things like that to build. So much fun. I love going. I found these fringe crochet looking throw pillows. They're like a rectangle shape. These were $7.99 at Ross, and Ross always has a huge selection of throw pillows. I always go there to buy throw pillows, if not Homegoods, but we'll get to Homegoods. Yeah, girl, I have so many throw pillows, but I just couldn't resist these ones, and I needed a change, something this color, so I picked these up, and I'm happy with it. I picked up this adorable sign at Ross, and you guys already know why I picked this up. It says inspire. I think it has a carrot and a piece of bread on the inside, but we're just gonna ignore that because I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this yet. This word means so much to me. You guys tell me all the time what an inspiration I am, and I motivate you guys. So I just wanted to put this somewhere where everyone can see it and where I can see it and just remind myself. If you guys haven't noticed, I have a lot of positive sayings and just things like that around my home, especially in my room, just to make me feel good. It makes me feel really good to walk around and just see positive sayings and things that make me feel good and confident and strong and powerful. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up, and it was only $8.99 from Ross. So I found this at Marshall's, and it was $19.99. If you guys can see, I'll show you kind of like up close so you can see it a little better. It's another shelf. And I like shelves for decorating, and I've mentioned this before in one of my videos, especially in an apartment, like a little hutch or table or something like that, because it takes up too much space. And since it's already small in here and I still want to decorate, I go ahead and just pick up these shelves whenever I see them for around 20 to maybe not even 20. You can get them cheaper than that too, but something that looks like this, again, is that geometric style that I love. You guys watch my videos and you've seen the one that says evolve and think, and I went ahead and picked this one up. I think this is the Rae Dunn brand. Yep. Rae Dunn was $5.99 at Marshall's. One side says be brave and the other side says work hard. Like I said, you guys, I love things like this. It really makes a difference for me. I don't know about you guys, but this is one of the ways that I stay motivated and focused. Some more hand towels, because you could really never have enough. Sometimes they get stained and you just have to get rid of them. Cynthia Rowley does really, really amazing everything, but her hand towels be on point. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this design. Is it like not me? That's so me. The colors are pretty, the patterns, I just love this. The material is a little different from the other hand towels that I also have that are Cynthia Rowley, but I still love them. I cannot wait to wash these and use them. I did pick up some more towels. This one is adorable. Look at this, you guys. It's a little llama. Guys, this is going in my bathroom. It was $5.99 at Marshall's. Some more towels in a pattern and color that I like. These were $7.99 each. You guys already know your girl loves the cactus. I picked this one up at HomeGoods for $4.99. It's the gold metallic. I like this. Super cute. Not sure where I'm gonna put this yet. Probably on one of those decorative shelves or something like that, but so excited to have this one part of the family now. I think I'm just gonna start collecting these, guys. And you guys send me pictures on Instagram of cactuses or anything rose gold, copper, all the time, and I love it. This I picked up at Walmart. It was another random thing that's not supposed to be out here, but I got a towel ring for the girls' bathroom. And like I said, I love positive sayings and things like that, so I picked up this letter board. I know I'm super late, but I like this one more than any one that I've seen so far. It's like this velvety kind of felt material, and then it's silver on the outside. It's kind of big. I like it. I just want to have something positive on here, and I can change it up as much as I want. Inside, it comes with 170 pieces, letters and numbers. So let's see Oh, it says the possibilities are endless. I like the little thing they even have on the front. It's like super cute. And this was $16.99, by the way, from Homegoods. Yep, you guys will be seeing all of this stuff in upcoming videos, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to have my apartment just finished and nobody coming in and out of here anymore, so I can focus on videos, catching up on my videos because I'm majorly slacking. But if you guys want to know what I'm doing, follow me on Instagram. I'm inviting you guys there because I see a lot of YouTube comments come in and questions that I've already answered on Instagram or I hauled on Instagram. So yeah, you guys, how many times can your girl say Instagram? That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more hauls for you. With all that being said, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Do you love it? I love it. I got it at Ross. I know you guys remember that commercial. And girl, yes, I do love me some Ross.